All right, got another unboxing. We're gonna go with Moultrie Mobile. Trying to find something to replace them. Struggling with trying to get the Spypoint Flexes. Just struggling to death trying to get video out of them. I've had to replace several. That's another video. Today we're going to talk about the Moultrie Mobile Delta Base Cellular Trail Camera. It's this is the AT&T version. They also have a Verizon version. Those are two only that I saw. These were on sale, 60 bucks. We're gonna check them out. We'll get it open, put it together, and then we'll get it tested and see how well it does. So let's get at it. Got here. Got the usual batteries, SD card. These are going to take, instead of the minis, we're going to do the regular size. So let's get this bad boy out of here, see what we got. Let's adjust this camera a little bit. There we go. All right. Camera itself. Pop open the side right here. Batteries, we'll go ahead and set that open right there. That strap to the tree, and obviously the antenna. So let's get the directions out. Let's see what we got going on here. We'll take these batteries out of here and set them off to the side. Obviously we know where the antenna goes, so we'll go ahead and get it on there. Look that complicated. Looks like it's going to take about 12 batteries. Right here. SD card's going to go right here. Here's all the controls on. Format. What is that? Connect status. So we'll get these directions out and see what we got going on here. Just like I said, it's pretty simple. Alright, easy start guide. Shouldn't take us very long. All right, so first thing we're going to activate the camera. Let's see here. All right, this is the Moultrie app that you use. It's kind of going through some of the stuff here. It's got a maps feature. You can hone in on your area. It's got weather feature. Let's see what else we got. You can pull up in your area. 53 raining where we're at right now. This is the two cameras that I have. This is how you scan the inside of the camera to get it to come up. Just kind of going through this stuff right there. It's got the settings, details. You can click on all that. This is where you scan. Just it automatically hits your camera, and basically just scan the inside label of the camera. You select your plan. I select the $10 one. I got a saved credit card on there, so we're good to go. Right there, selection. You can pick how often you want to get the pictures. I get them as they go. Get these batteries in there. So basically, we've activated the camera. We're going to install the batteries. It's 12 batteries. Pretty simple. Got everything in there. Put the SD card in as well. It'll be going right here in the side. See right here. We just got a 16 gigabyte. I'm trying to see, has to be class 10. Trying to see what the, I don't think you can go beyond 32 gigabytes on the trail camera or on the SD card. All right, so we'll get this in there. All right, so then it says we're going to power it on. There's a 10-second delay to allow you time to format the SD card, and you've got to press the format right here. So we'll get it powered on. The green light. Let's see here. The 10-second delay. Hold the format button until it blinks yellow. So you've got the battery power, you got the battery light there, the SD card, signal, and server. So we're going to go ahead and power that on. Go ahead and press the SD card. We'll see how the lights go. It says hold it long enough to where the SD card, which is the second one up, goes yellow. And then it says press. We should be getting all green lights here. Yeah, it turns green once everything is the process complete. And then we got to press and hold the connect status for at least 5 seconds. I don't know if you can see those lights moving around there. We should get all green. There we go. So our signal's a little off, but we've got power. We're hooked to the server. And I've got my hand over here, so it's probably starting to take pictures. But that's it. You see how the lights are moving back and forth? That means it's taking pictures and sending everything. That's basically it. Pretty easy setup. We got all green. And then when it does that, that means it's talking to the server. See how the 2 red lights are? We got the battery. Battery power's good, it's green. SD card's green, means it's good to go. When these go red, it's talking to the server, going back and forth. That's it. Pretty easy. We got the strap. I'm gonna hold off on that. I may use it's also got a place right here for, let me set it. Let's see if it fits. This is what I usually use. Like I said, this goes into a tree post or something. It's not too bad. Should screw right into the bottom. I believe all these are going to be about the same size on all the camera. Yeah. So it's just got one on the bottom. Some of them's back, some of them the bottom. This is where the strap's going to go. Looks like there may be some issue with the cover here, but it seems pretty solid. I mean, basic Moultrie. It says X series. I'll put all this stuff in the description where you can go buy it. Like I said, we'll get it out to the field, test it, see how it does.